technology assessment is said to be one of the core roots of responsible innovation. So what is TA and how did it begin?
Yeah, TA, technology assessment, was invented in the United States of America about 50 years ago in the realm of the American Congress. So it was designed as an instrument for the parliament to get scientific knowledge for making better decisions. That is the basic idea. And from that origin, TA spread first to Europe in the 1980s and 90s. And now we have a large variety of TA institutions, many parliaments in Europe, and increasingly also in countries of other continents. So the basic idea is to look into science, into the scientific knowledge, and to make use of this knowledge for making better decisions in policy making. So it's about the influence of technology and later on also of innovation to all of the fields of policy making. That might be environmental policy, defense policy, agricultural policy, whatever. And all these policy fields are increasingly influenced by new technology. And in many, many cases, it's necessary to get knowledge of expected or feared or plausible or possible consequences of those new technologies as early as possible in order to take them into account into decision making.